If you want to grow longer eyelashes but don't have deep pockets and don't want to make a trip to your doctor, you'll be pleased to know that there are all natural options you can use to get longer, thicker eyelashes. Most women view long, thick eyelashes as an enhancement to their beauty. It's very common to use mascara to lengthen and thicken eyelashes to make them stand out more. Mascara also has color in it, so it can really draw attention to the eyes. There is also the option of using fake eyelashes. This can be an instant fix and give you thick, long eyelashes in just a few minutes. But they can be cumbersome and difficult to attach. You don't have to resort to some of these techniques. You can use some time-tested methods to grow longer eyelashes. 1. It's important to remember that everything that is on the outside originates on the inside. If you provide your body with the proper level of nutrients and hydration, that one simple thing can help your whole body perform even better, and that includes all type of hair growth, including eyelashes. 2. Getting plenty of sleep is another way to ensure that your body functions to its full potential. Your body is very much like a machine, think sports car, and when it's in tune and receiving everything it needs to run its best, it will run its best. Sleep and proper diet and nutrition are extraordinarily important. 3. Taking a multivitamin. Again, few people eat enough of the healthy things that their body needs. Helping things along by taking a daily vitamin will help your body stay strong and do the things it's supposed to, like grow hair. 4. Natural lubricants can also help to grow your eyelashes more quickly. A few of the most common for this purpose are olive oil and petroleum jelly. All you have to do is put one or the other on your eyelashes overnight. Wash it off thoroughly, but gently, the next day before you leave the house and you're good to go. 5. Vitamin E has long been known to help. Use a brand new eyelash brush to apply the oil directly to your eyelashes. 6. Brushing your lashes on a regular basis can also help with growth. Remember when you were a kid and your mom told you to brush your hair 100 times every night to make it grow? Well, the same principle applies to growing your eyelashes. Just make sure that your eyelash brush gets cleaned on a regular basis. You don't have to resort to using uncomfortable fake eyelashes or buying expensive pharmaceutical remedies to get thicker, more luxurious eyelashes. Women have been using these all-natural remedies for centuries. The methods discussed here won't harm you, and most of them are just plain good for your whole body, so it's a win-win. Hey, our great-grandmothers knew a thing or two about beauty tricks. They didn't have all the drug companies coming up with great products for us to try. They had to figure it out themselves. We can benefit from their knowledge to help us grow longer eyelashes right at home. I upload useful videos about everything useful. Subscribe and not to miss new videos, thanks.